Hi guys, this is Sahil. First of all, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to show you this Wagonr that we have modified for a person with disability, a wheelchair user. We have installed a ramp into this car and we have also extended the roof of it so that they can have an easy access and they can sit comfortably inside the car. So the whole purpose of this modification is just that they don't have to shift from the wheelchair. And there are a lot of people who require and seek for these kind of services, for these kind of modifications, because it's not just for persons with disability, it's also for elderly people. And in this clip I'm going to show you the operation of the ramp, which is pretty simple, but yet we have to show it again and again so that we can bring forward our work. And right now I'm unlocking the ramp. We have provided the locks both of the side of the ramps so that while you're driving there will be no noise. And now I'm unfolding it towards the ground by holding the handles, which are also present both of the side. And then there are supporters beneath the ramp so that while you're taking a wheelchair inside the car, there will be no instability. And this is the interior of the car. We have done the roofing, matting, leveled the floor, and provided you an aluminium ramp. I'm pausing the video so that you can have a look, so please take your time. And this is the aluminium ramp, which is very lightweighted and can easily bear up to 200 kgs. And these are some clips that I've added to show you the paint work, which is looking perfectly fine. The shine and the mixing, you can see it by yourself, and the design of the body. We make sure that we maintain the originality of the car. It shouldn't be looking odd. So we make sure that the paint and the design blend with the car and the design of the car which was there originally. And we provide our services all over India. So you don't have to worry, you just have to give us a call on the numbers that will be flashing on your screen. And also we belong to the same community, so we understand the requirements of these kind of modifications and accessibility needs. So you don't have to worry, we make our products accordingly and we keep the prices accordingly as well. You just have to give us a call and we'll work this out for you. And we have made a lot of videos of the same product. Please just visit our channel and you'll get the idea of our work. The more you'll watch, the more you'll know. And we will definitely help you to understand, according to your requirements, we will guide you what kind of car you should purchase for this kind of modification. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you are happy with this video, please give it a like. And if you have any query, please give us a call. Thanks a lot.